Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. We've missed you guys. It's been a long weekend, but we are back. We are ready to go. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good. Obviously, cracker on a two win streak. So hoping for that hat trick. That's the dream.
That's it, Chad. If you guys weren't here Thursday, obviously the T2 coming back in clutch. Friday, bringing it home with a massive 4-0 win on Friday. So again, absolutely back in clutch. We're going to see if we can go for the hat trick today. As again, not only just the hat trick, we don't want to talk about it, but Monday's being the cursed day.
But we're breaking that.
We're breaking that curse today.
Yeah,
the T2 is going to get the hat trick. It's going to break the curse. So we're going to see how that goes.
Already done. Manifested. Boom.
But yeah, Chad, other than that, I hope you guys are locked and loaded. I hope you're ready for this one. It's going to be good. But before we get into any of the charts, before we talk about anything else, Chris, you're going to open us up with prayer there, brother.
I will, Chad. As always, let's close those eyes. Let's get ready. And let's prepare for the session. Father, we just want to thank you for each and every one here. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you for this platform. Thank you for the opportunity to do what we love. Father, we just pray that you will guide us, lead us into all truth here today. And I pray that you will honestly just open our eyes to see what is in front of us. And I just want to give you all of the honor, all of the praise, and all of us here just want to give you the honor, the praise, and the glory. And we ask all of this not because we deserve it, but purely because of your grace and your mercy that is new every single day. And if you believe it, you can say amen. Amen.
Amen. There we go. All right, guys. So let's dive right into it. So we can start off by looking at the fundamentals today, just so you guys can see nicely that there's basically nothing happening on the charts. So again, basically yen, not really much.
Sorry, you. What am I doing here? Chat, sorry, man. Kicks. There you go.
All right, there we go. So as you guys can see, nothing really on the charts for today. Very, very small day. Yen obviously being closed, bank holiday, but nothing else to really look out for there. So don't worry too much about that. So going over to the charts, guys, let's have a look over here. So DXY, this is where it gets interesting. We spoke about seeing, as much as we were bearish, if you guys are in Project G, you guys should know exactly what's been happening here. We spoke about holding this daily key level and seeing that short-term bullish momentum. which is exactly what we're seeing as we can look here on the 15. So traded around these zones, basically now breaking those Asia highs, those nice equal highs we've had the whole day, getting above there, so we can see this range we've been in, but now finally to have that break above, approaching the previous daily high. If we can hold these Asia lows, we want to see that go up, possibly a daily R1 and even a bit further around there. So that would be what we'd like to see on this Monday, setting up for the rest of the week. Now, when we go over to indices, what does that mean for us? Very, very simply, we want to start seeing the move over here, guys. So we started trading bullish, obviously, and personally, this is obviously where I don't want to get involved. We had a little bit of a break in there, obviously not holding on the resistance, so not giving us that setup, and then trading back above and doing that fake out of the weekly highs before previous weekly high before getting back into the Asia range. So one thing we do want to take note, obviously the monthly S1 daily pivots, EQ all the way down here with the 15,200, and also Asia lows untested. So definitely want to see a bit of bearish momentum come in here. If we can hold here, good chance we can go above, but if we do break back and hold underneath Asia highs, good chance we are coming lower. With US30, same thing, guys, looking very strong. We are in a neutral position. We say we want to hold this level of support and the monthly S1, which we can see us doing quite nicely over there. There was your move down to it, holding the level, big bullish push after that. Now, when we look at on the 15, almost the same thing. So traded up nicely, holding that level. There's your test on the EQ. Hold the level of support, the retest, holding the monthly S1. Again, coming back for the retest, breaking back above Asia highs. Now, Asia highs untested, so you still want to see it hold Asia highs. Because again, if we can hold the retest, good chance we can have that bullish momentum on the continuation. But if we fail, a good chance we are going to come back down, because then these monthly S1 is a nice weak level of support being tested multiple times. We can see that break to come get the Asia lows that are untested and back down for that EQ. And again, the 15,200 we're going to see over there. So that's again going to that neutral position we have on a Monday, purely because we can see those opposite directional moves. Now, gold, pretty much the same thing, guys. We spoke about this quite a lot this morning. We wanted to see what the moves were going to do here. So again, we saw this basically trade up one way. We spoke about this Asia highs. There was going to be your move. Previous daily highs being taken out. If we could stay above the daily R1, this level of support, good chance we were continuing more bullish. We can see there on the $5 grid hitting your 24.45. So that was a nice move over there. And then obviously turning a bit of bearish, holding a little bit of momentum or rejection over there. So for me personally, I think gold's had a very aggressive day. On the buys, I wouldn't really want to see more buys coming out of this, but it definitely can get anything to that R2 and then either see a reversal. Anything after that, I wouldn't want to be in the buys. Then I think it's really extended for the day. Otherwise, if we do start to break back down under this level of support, failing on the test, getting under the previous daily high, obviously we got Asia lows untested and our key level there, 24.26, which you can come all the way back to. Not saying we're going bearish, but that's where we can kind of have that move and start ranging a little bit again after that. So we just want to see what happens, but still actually more bullish, still neutral on the daily, but we are bullish on the long term, unlike with the indices. So that is pretty much everything from my side, guys. We're going to keep you updated with what the T2 is going to do, but over to Chris.
Beautiful. Thanks, Keeks. All right, Chad, nothing much going on here. As mentioned, today going to be relatively flat. Dollar, I'm not going to say as expected, but we did mention relatively rangy key level, holding above the 200 Asia highs now. So if we're going to see any further continuation of the dollar today, Asia highs, that's our level that we need to monitor. So nothing much there, nothing too much. Daily candle for me, US30 for the guys that did not join us this morning. Let me just see here. Let me just get into the daily here. Remember, I said I'm relatively bullish purely due to the fact that we had this massive bull candle, got this little bit of resistance. I'm expecting at least a test of this yearly pivot level all the way up here. So let's see. As long as we hold above Friday's low, I think we're good to go. Up 4-hour time frame. Consolidate to hold. You can clearly see it here, Chad. Also, another thing to note is that, look here. That was a lower high. We failed to go lower. We took that out. So what are we going to do next? I'm leaning towards the bull side. I like the bullish side of things. If we can get outside of this 4-hour range. All right. Already took liquidity here. Already took some liquidity there. Back inside the range. Keeks, I even think we can chop like this till CPI, Chad. All I'm saying is we've seen stranger things in the market. All right, we've seen what NFP did last week. Not last week, the week before that. Massive moves. Going into the session though is this. Asia highs still relevant. There's the 200 EMA. Where is daily R1 up there? Previous daily high. Let's see if we can hold this bullish order flow. Hang Seng and Nikkei closing bullish overnight. All right. Nasdaq daily for me is bullish. All right. We are bullish, but we need to hold above this previous weekly high and the previous daily high, Chad. Otherwise, things are looking relatively chalked. Again, not the cleanest. This does not instill a lot of confidence. This year, this is chalk, Chad. That is ugly price action. But let's see what we've got on the 5. Alrighty, there we go. Two things here. We've taken this level multiple times. Okay. Level has been taken multiple times here. If we are not going to start moving away from it. So think about it the other way. We don't think like the normal retail traders saying, oh, beautiful, look at this strong resistance. We are rejecting it every single time. No. Think about the opposite way. We've been bouncing up against this level and we're not moving away. So obviously price wants to be around these levels. So what's going to happen next is price is going to start punching through this level as retail traders try to short from here. And I'm not saying it's wrong to short, Chad. All I'm saying is if you've got a short idea, the longer we stick here, the more probable it becomes that these localized highs are going to just get absolutely nuked. And anyone shorting from here is going to get mollywopped, okay? So just keep that in mind. Very simple. Nothing major going into the session. Nasdaq as simple as it gets. Either we break above here or we don't. That is that zone there. Okay. Nothing major, nothing special. Gold bullish. Told you guys from this morning, bullish on the weekly. I'm gonna be a bull the entire week unless one thing. Unless we start closing back below this weekly level here. So let me actually mark this out. All right. So unless we start trading below this level, I just want to make sure it's visible on all ranges. Let's just do that, Chad. This is my relegation zone, if you want to call it that. If we start breaking below there, the bullish scenario is out of the window. Okay, then we need to reassess. But bullish, beautiful, bullish. Only thing is, when do we start pulling back a little bit? For our okay, there's the previous weekly high. We still have some room to cover. Going on the 5 minute, again, as mentioned earlier this morning, if we can hold above the daily R1, we are going to the R2. How are we going to get there? That is another question. Are we going to get there clean? Or are we going to get there like this? So this is very choppy. This is very overlapping. But the ultimate question is, how do we get there? All right, there's that flat-bodied, let me just check here. Yeah, there's that flat-bodied resistance area. Okay, so we're going for it somewhere now. Before the markets open, we go for it somewhere right now. Alrighty. Chad, dude. So, previous daily high. It's going to be a tough one on gold here, Chad. It's going to be a toughie. I want to say if we... Your Keeks, what was your... Dude, gold is just... Chad, before I continue, I'm almost done. I'm not going to waste your time. there's two things for me, and a lot of you can say, Chris, why didn't you take the trade here this morning from there when you said you were bullish? Why did you not take the trade from there? Why did you not take the trade from there? The issue is we've got one of the biggest fundamental events this week. We said NFP was going to be big. It was big. We've got CPI, another massive event. And we're sitting with gold on a normal day, no real headlines, trading at the weekly high. Okay, what am I missing here? What is driving price here? Is there momentum to drive price? Is this just a pure disposition of the market preparing themselves for something that's going to happen in the week? I don't know, Chad, but it's just Keegs would agree with me. Trading at a weekly high, Keegs, on a Monday. Are you going to jump at it?
Not really, yeah.
Okay.
Rather gonna sit and wait, bro. We got some big moves coming.
But Chad, there you go, baby. That is me. And over to Keegadarius.
There we go.
Is that my PC tringing and ringing?
Yeah, I'll send the poll up there quickly.
It seems it is mine. Chad, but beautiful. We are.
Hey, Carl, good to know you're still holding there, bro. But to be fair, your TP was at 24.45, so I don't know what you're still holding for, but all right. I'm just saying. But yeah, guys, we are locked in here. We basically have 9 minutes till market opens. And yeah, guys, we can tell you the T2 is looking for sells. That is the plan. Yeah, today.
Is it looking for
It is
sells?
looking for sells.
Bro, no, man. So, T2. Let me see.
We are locked in for sells, guys.
Damn, it is. On the one side, I actually like it, seeing where it's trading. All right, Keeks, how do you feel about? But you said you wanted the sells.
I want the sells, bro.
All right, no, bro, that's
We
good.
want the sells.
That's good. That's good.
Let's see. All right, so yeah, locked in. I like what we see. I had 2 positions. The one with the worst entry had a smaller TP. Okay. Is that what we're going with? I only saw 1 TP on the photo you sent me though, but we can go with that. Afternoon chat. Email support this morning and still have no response. Can you guys help a bro out?
What is that?
Crypto Minter about the KYC.
Okay, bro. It's impossible that support has not gotten back to you. What email did you use? Because I know support. Support is literally. Chat to me quickly. Who did you email? Let's just first establish that. Let's quickly establish who did you email. What is the email you used? Let's just quickly establish who did you. What email did you use? Crypto 2.
Guys, I have a question. Do you offer one-on-one mentorship? No, we don't. We have a mentorship as a group program, but we answer question that, but no, not one-on-one. Chris and myself, unfortunately, do not have the time to do one-on-ones.
Let me just see what email. Okay, now it's gone. What email did you use, my brother? Sorry, man. Hopefully in the future, Bugatti, I think.
You have to understand, the more in the future, the bigger the group gets, the worse it definitely will not become. Imagine when we've got 2,000 members. How the hell much would you do a one-on-one with everyone?
I think you're gonna put a massive premium on it. That's the one thing. You're gonna have like Grant Cardone. Chad, believe it or not, $1 million to have dinner with the guy.
Keeks, the Catio, bro. Screw straight update, please. You want to know. Hasn't been started, bro. We got all the materials, but not started yet.
Boys. Keeks
Got the materials, but nothing else. But yeah, what we get preparation for Catio tonight. Oh, there we go. I'll pay 50K.
Are you guys starting? Are you guys building tonight again?
I think Carl is.
Carl, I knew, bro. He was setting you up. Carl, he was setting you up, my dude. He was setting you up to build that catio on your own.
Some may kidnap you. Keegan did the heavy work already. Yeah. Hey, Costa. Let's see you guys. 4 minutes after. I love training the TTA. All these haters. These haters are silenced now, bro. 3 losses in a row, and we still closed it off in profits. But now the haters are gone.
Okay, but let's not talk too quickly. Let's just get this one over there.
To be fair, bro, this, as I said, this is the one that chokes us. Mondays are rough.
Yo, we
just need to get through Monday.
Let me just get let's not get too rowdy here. What is our usual risk on a 17 lot?
I don't know where crypto's gone now, bro. Crypto has disappeared.
Crypto too. Sorry, my brother. Dude, Chad, I want to help the guy. I just want to make sure because I know like our support is on another level. And if somebody ever comes back to say that they've emailed in the morning and they haven't gotten a response in the afternoon, then something is wrong. Then something is massively wrong here.
Do you find us? Yeah, to sell.
Right, how many minutes? 3 minutes. Kicks, this could be that in and out again. In, out,
This
out.
is, bro, it can be in and out. As long as we in and out with TPs.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Then we can be in and out, bro. Having issues with my network, Chad. Yeah. All right. Crypto is back.
Okay,
Crypto,
let's
just
see.
let us know what email did you use.
All right,
Who did
brother.
you email to?
Yeah, let's just check crypto. We want to sort you out on stream here. On stream, we want to get you sorted. Crypto 2. Almost sounds like a little sneeze. I want to invest into crypto 2. All right, shit. I'm in crypto now. I'm too deep. Can't sell. Okay, Keeks, market. Okay, still 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Not there yet, bro.
I'm still perfect competition, boys. There's another shirt out here.
What's this?
Perfect competition. If your competition is not perfect, what are you doing?
You gotta sell US30. Young Carl, yes, we are. I'm guessing you're late to the party.
If you are not in perfect competition with yourself, DH. Good morning, good morning. All right, boys, skis.
Chris, you're there. 1 minute, Chad. 1 minute 20.
All right, Firecracker is loading, Chad. And yeah, big shout out, guys, if you have not done so yet.
Just send you the screenshot. Bro, don't send me who did you email?
No, just, what email did you use, brother? So to what email did you send? I just want to know. To what email did you send? Chad, beautiful. Thank you so much for showing Andy love. Andy Steele Smith. Andy posted a new one, if I'm not mistaken. I saw it. How did Andy? Beautiful. Let's Chad, let's go blitz this one for Andy. Let's just let's quickly go blitz this one. So 2 giveaways that we will be doing. This is the second one. You guys can go to the other one. Go drop a comment there. Don't just comment. Go show some love.
Sorry, Chris.
Hit a like.
And Chad, that is it. The markets are open. Round 2, session 2. Ding, 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 ding. Let's get it, baby. Fight.
Here we go, baby.
Come on. Let's see these cells come to life, Chad.
Alrighty. Long weekend for us. Seems like it was a long weekend for the US. Oh, boy.
Come on. Let's see the cells come to life, baby.
Nice there. Okay, it's already better. It's not like 170 point opening 1 minute candle. Like just hold this range at least. Guys, gold already running for that 24.47.
Come on. Do it for us, USD.
Okay, here we go.
We want to be...
I just want to be a little firecracker. Okay, Keeks, get ready, eh?
You ready, bro? You
Are
ready?
you ready?
3,
Wait.
2, 1.
I'm in.
We in, Chad.
Alright. 60 points is the new 60 points is the new 30 points.
Bro, why does 60 look so big now?
It's the ranges have died down. Alright.
I was gonna say like, damn, bro.
If we get a pullback, Chad, I will be adding if we get a pullback. Alright. I will be adding, and I have reduced my risk, Chad. Remember I said last week I have reduced my risk purely just to build back a little bit. So my overall risk, if I add, is going to be 0.75. Gold running, gold just pushing up as mentioned. Okay, first position in. Can we get a little pullback play here for the second position? Not yet. I'm going to let you guys know when I take a second position, an add. It's the 60.
Still early days, yeah, Chad.
Yeah,
We're still
that's
early
60.
days, yeah.
Haven't added, guys. Haven't added. What did you say? Additives, Keegs, additives.
Come on, bro. We want to see a TP today. We need to break the Monday curse.
We will. I would actually love a little pullback.
This is looking promising, though, in the fact that we haven't just been bulleted into stop loss.
Okay. Yeah, this is already a lot better. Actually, what I can do is actually.
Because in the past, when we're wrong, we wrong like immediately.
Chad, I'm actually gonna put a sell limit there. There at the halfway mark where I want to add, and then I'm actually gonna set the gold. Sorry, Chad, gold just running, eh? Gold just running. I thought I'd let you guys know. Already 24.50. Didn't even give us.
Come on, baby.
Nice.
Come
nice.
on. Let's see this thing go, yeah, Chad.
2039.601. Today could be the day. All right, Chad, beautiful. If we can just get that, Kicks, you're seeing that level. You see that level, eh?
I see that level.
Right, if we can
We're
get
gonna also
through
see it on the 5, ladies and gents. Let's see this little rocket run here for us.
Oh, so close, so close. Chad, if that thing gets like within a millimeter, remember all the lessons we learned. We leave nothing to chance, okay? Those days of waiting for it to TP, if it's close, I'm literally on the finger and I'm closing manually. As soon as it gets close, I'm killing it manually. Not gonna have a thing come 2 points away and it hits my break even. That is a big no from me, dog.
Big no from me, dog.
So when it gets close, just be on the trigger. If you want to get that perfect, Chat, if that thing is close, like
Come on, chat, baby.
come on, push a little bit more, push a little
We're
bit.
chasing waterfalls, yeah.
Go. Oh, go a little bit more. Go.
Come on, baby.
I'm out.
Come on, baby. Monday Juju in the bag. There we go, Chad. Well done, Chad. You know it. We said this is going to be a good week. It was going to be a banging week. Ah, Chad, that is the start we wanted, baby. There we go, Chad. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. This is the things of champions. We even got Billy the Goat coming out once again, Chad. Ah.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so
Easy
Monday,
as you like it.
Monday curse broken.
T2.
Officially.
The hat trick, baby. Hat trick in the building.
Officially broken.
MVP goes to T2. Again, those haters are somehow very quiet in the chat again today. I don't see those ones that were all fading us the whole time. They've somehow all disappeared. But the T2 is back. A quick in and out.
Wait, let
Thank
me
you for
also
coming.
get a video, yeah. Okay, are you going to do a video and tag me? It's your trade, it's your trade.
We'll do a little video, yeah.
And then share my post. You can share it on your... I don't know, bro. I don't know. It must like give you a little back rub there. So give you a little back to back. I don't know.
All right, Chad. As you guys can see, Monday morning, we came in from last week. We got the hat trick in the bag here. Easy as you like it. Nice, quick 60 pips. Nothing more simple than that. You can see the bias over there, bearish. All caught with our members live on stream. There you go. All the W's in the chat for everyone that did take that one with us. We can see it all coming in nice and clutch there. There is the trade, the positions you can see running very, very comfortably. Closed out in profits in the blues. That's how we do it on a Monday morning, baby. 2 G's for life.
Okay, so just to come back to crypto. So what I'm gonna do, sorry, my brother. The email is support@vaultfunder.trade. All right, support@vaultfunder.trade. Just make sure you use that email. Please let me know if you use that. Chad, Kiggs, well done, my brother. We said we're gonna break that Monday curse. We did.
Easy as you like, Chad.
Beautiful, beautiful. Gold, I don't know, bro. Gold is...
There's a nice... Bro, how much did you make on that one?
No, remember, I'm reducing my risk this week, so I'm at 0.5%.
Hey. 3% up, baby.
Dude,
3% up.
How much did you risk?
I did a 0.5%, and then I did scale in a second one.
Oh, with that little pullback.
Yeah, this pullback, when that one closed again, I entered there on this one. So
no. So my thing is, Chad, like I said, last week, the fire... Actually, was it last week or the week before it? When the firecracker had like a banger and we didn't close out and we got... Or I got scared and... Anyways, Chad, this week on it... This week on it, gold, I don't know what to tell you about gold. We said if we hold the daily R1, it's just a case of how did you get in? I wouldn't have gotten in. To be real with you guys, it's still within the shuffle. I wouldn't have taken it within the shuffle. There was that target. The first target, that daily resistance level. Daily R2, as standard, if you haven't been here, you will find out very shortly. Again, all statistical probability here is that if we hold the daily R1, very likely we go to the daily R2. All right, so we've already done that. Objective complete. Was it straightforward? Absolutely not. I wasn't even involved in this. Go watch this morning's analysis. We called the bullish move. Will I trade anything now? Absolutely not. Just see how fanned we are from the 200 EMA. It is just almost 150 points away. Not interested. This thing can run another 1,000 pips. Not interested. Okay, Monday, not gonna chance it. Caught the beautiful sells here on US 30. Was it this 1 minute? This one, yeah. Caught it right there. Beautiful. So it is. Oh, we're chilling now. We're chilling. Nasdaq, Chad. Yeah, sorry, I'm just running. I think he's quickly busy there. Nasdaq, as I mentioned, this block here, either we're going to need to start moving away from it. Otherwise, it's going to become a target to go to the upside. But it is looking relatively nice from there. US 30 also. Sure. The cracker. Closed full position. Yeah, Jason, it's mechanical, brother. There are times when we will go for an extended target, but in terms of what we've seen here, that is a good target. I wouldn't have held, especially being a Monday. And especially with the way that it came down, I'm more than happy with what I caught here. Monday. Here's the thing: we always talk about how it is already difficult to make money in the market, especially a Monday. Like, you're not gonna risk it. James, I'm going to love you and leave you time to go work that 9 to 5 with a massive smile. Wow, beautiful, Ruben. Took a young TP on gold, Chris. Beautiful RT. Yeah. My only thing with gold was just how do we get in? How do we get in? If you got in, beautiful. A bias was given here this morning. Bullish. I told you guys I'm a bull this week, a gold bull. But yeah, if you were trying to sell it, I think there was some sells, short-term sells, but at this stage, gold is doing what we expected it to do. Going to be an interesting week. Let's just check here.
And that is it, Chad. Easy as you like.
All right, Chad. Now to the big thing now for every retail trader is how do we give those profits back before 5 o'clock? That should be the goal now, is to make sure that you do not retain any of that profit.
My only thing is, Chad, even though we closed out that 60 pips, it wasn't much more. I mean, you would have had another 30 pips if you really pushed it to get those Asia lows. Because remember, that's what we spoke about, Asia lows untested. That was a drop down to that zone. So for me, perfect trade. We would have got out where we wanted it if you pushed it a little bit more. But for me, that is a great trading day.
I even thought that, obviously I don't see what we see, but even on this side,
yeah,
I wouldn't have tried to extend it.
Literally where it is now, it's right at the bottom. Where it is now, that would have been the best TP. That would have been the max. Literally, guys, where it is now, that would have been like swing position. That would have been my TP. Literally where it is now. You can see the 200 there. That would have been the furthest I would have swung it to. So,
but it's Monday.
It's Monday, guys.
Why do we?
You start off strong. Literally, that's the week for me. Literally, you're up now. Bang, sorted. Nothing. You started off strong. We said this is going to be a big week. It's going to be a good week. You don't need to force things. There we go.
Chat. So yeah, if you want to be part of the giveaway on Wednesday, go and comment on Andy's Instagram post. He's a guest this Friday. Andy Steele Smith, the gangster pastor, got some very, very cool stories that he's going to share. A lot of questions I want to ask, Chad. A lot of stuff, like what is investment banking? How does investment banking look like? What is some of the stuff, even like business stuff? We're going to dive a little bit into him being in, I think it's 17 or 20 years, if it's not more. Ministering to gang members, some of the stories, how he was shot at, how they tried to put a hit on his life, all of that. Chad, it's going to be a brilliant one. Go and show Andy some love there, and I will be doing a giveaway on Wednesday for both his posts. The previous one where the question was what city, and then I think by Wednesday, Thursday, we're also going to put a collaboration post out with Andy. So go and comment there. What Chad means, Chris? I know Chad is known for a person name. Okay, ja, Chris, die een wat ons vroeg toegemaak daar hardloop by, maar ek is happy. Rian, dude, dis die Marco. Die Mark gaan jou laat werk vir vanuit trades. Thank you, bro. My bad. Just lost my mother. Chad's my mind is all over. Just wanted to start with live account. Great back here. Think about a bit me. Thank you, bro. Just lost my mother. Yo. Good luck, bro. Sorry, man. If that's the case. Just chat off to work now. Have a good one. Thanks, dude. I still holding my bars and gold. Remember, chat, I did send my analysis on Discord. Been holding from 4 a.m. till now. Beautiful, bro. Don't get greedy. Even if you just move your stop loss into profit, but please don't let a winning position like me last week, 450 pips. How much did I secure of that? 450 pips in profit. How much did I secure? 0. Actually took a loss. Don't be me. Okay. So what's your outlook on the market? You think it was a dead cat bounce, or you think... Peter, we gave our analysis this morning. I don't know if you checked it this morning. We did a full weekly analysis where I said I'm bearish on the weekly for US 30. I'm bearish on the weekly. When I did the analysis this morning, I said this for me is not bullish. A lot of people will say this is a reversal candle. No, this is still a bearish candle. The only way I can get bullish, that's why we actually set an alert here, is if we start trading above the previous weekly high, but bearish below that. And we can actually just trade all the way down to go and fill that a week. So that's the outlook there, my brother. Alright. Okay. Oh, is he asking Sibusisu? But I thought you've been here. You're part of the chat.
What's going on?
No, he was asking who's the chat, and I'm like, Sibusisu's been here. What caused market to move so much? Money caused it, gamer. Liquidity, volume. That is what causes something to happen like this. And now the next question you should ask is, why was there so much volume being introduced into the market? There's a lot of like very big degens like us in the US with very big, they actually run hedge funds. But in their own hearts, they are also degenerates like us. So they actually have machines that force a lot of liquidity into the market, and those machines are just ready to trade as soon as the market opens up on a Monday after a weekend. So that is what moved. Hedge funds want out money. I don't know what that means. I don't know what hedge funds want. Oh yeah, no, hedge funds want everybody's money. They don't just...
This thing is just dying. But that's the thing, Chad.
Like, no, you can't.
No, I'm just saying it was a big move, but like we got what we came for.
Yeah.
In and out, we even got a scale in. Beautiful trade. And that's the simple thing, guys. You either, as Chris and I always say to you, either on the right side of the market or you're on the wrong side.
Did I delete?
Bro, but you know the one thing is, what irritated me about this? So, scary part, Keeks, is tomorrow you're going to get a bar bias.
Who said that?
Peter, bro, you always want to hate. We've won 3 for 3, massive trades. As much hate as you had on it, we closed out in profits last week. So, It's doing the job, bro. It's doing the job.
Oh, is Peter the one that was fading us?
Yeah.
So you got murdered. Yeah, sorry, Peter.
I don't know if Jeff, I need to pick on someone. Nah, bro. You can we can take the heat. What was I gonna say?
Didn't fade you.
Sure,
Didn't
I
get
don't know.
in on time. Okay. Yeah, Peter. Best of luck, my brother. No, you were saying about it was a big move, but we locked in what we came for. Even though it's running down, a lot of us would say, "Oh, why don't we hold?" No. If it wasn't your plan to hold, there's no reason for us to say, "Oh, we should have held. We should have this or that." Remember what we said. Once you've got a good week, let's say you hit 2 firecrackers Monday, Tuesday, you scaled in.
Bro, can you just put on your screen quickly? I just
Okay.
need to do something. I think it's behind on this monitor.
So let's say you hit 2 firecrackers on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe you don't get a trade. Thursday, you hit another firecracker. Then that one you can say just trail. Let's say, for instance, this trade we took now. We took it here. All right. So it's running towards your take profit there, and you move stop loss to break even. And you're like, dude, I'm already up. I'm gonna grind this one out a little bit. I'm gonna go for 180 points or whatever. I'm gonna go for a 3R. Then you go for it, Chad. It's like you're already up on the week. This is just a nice to have at that stage. This is just like you're not gonna cry over spilled milk if it comes back to break even. You're up 3-4% for the week. You can grind this one out. And this is where it becomes nice, where you maybe say, okay, you know what? On the 5 minute, I'm literally just going to trail my stop behind the 5 minute closes. As the 5 minute closes, all I do is I just bring my stop in. And once it takes out that previous 5 minute high, then I call it. Then I got the maximum that I could have gotten. I've given it everything I could, and there's no FOMO, there's no coulda, woulda, shoulda, no.
Alright, okay, that's it. Oh, sorry, bro, I just had to upload some documents so quickly. Love the new layout, James. Looks epic. Hey, appreciate it, bro. See, joined Prodigy last week, and the last week I can see that you both know exactly what you're talking about. Not like these mamparas all over IG. Being in 4 streams now with you guys. Hey, Justin, we really appreciate the kind words, bro.
Justin C.
US City Mountain, love your psychology. Not once y'all said I should have stayed in the trade. Yeah, the thing is, like Chris says, the best thing for me, I always talk about it, like the start of the week, I'm very happy to take my profits. Because, for example, like being 3% up, now you're at a situation where literally I've got a cushion. So like Chris says, if you want to go for those bigger trades, you've got that cushion to play with now. So even where you normally would have maybe in the future had a 1% or take a 1% loss, it doesn't knock you as bad because you're still in profit. But also, if you want to have that trade where you don't mind going break even, because it can become a 4-5R trade, you can let it run because, like I say, you are already up on the week. So, for example, if you take break evens the rest of the week now, you're sorted still. So, like these type of trades are always that awesome cushion thing to start your week off with. Chris, sorry, but I didn't see the educational call from last Wednesday.
I didn't put it up. Michaela. I don't think I'm going to put it up. If I'm honest. It's just way too long. It became a little...
I think last week it got like an hour long or something.
It got a little sidetracked. But nothing that we spoke about.
It was a Q&A. It wasn't like actually education. So it was just
purely
more other guys
Q&A,
asking stuff.
You're not going to miss. I'm actually... tonight I'm uploading 5 videos to the education section.
Andre, bro. We hit
Huh?
a 10R trade, my brother. Where were you?
Did
Look at
Andre,
this.
did Andre miss
Andre,
it?
we caught this whole sell here, brother. There's the position from here. Where were you, Andre?
Did Andre
Hey?
miss it? And then he's going to cry.
Ah, Andre.
And then he's going to be here Wednesday like, "Yo, julle trade die firecracker sonder my." Nou was ek in ons op die firecracker en nah, I was kidding, Andre.
You did miss it, but that was just the trade there, brother. So we got the
Yeah.
60 pips there. We were in and
Nothing,
out.
yeah, it was
We traded to the monthly S1 and we were out.
Andre, sorry man. I know Andre likes a tough trade. Andre likes a trade that gives you a little bit of you fighting, you're praying, you're having faith, you're reading some Tony Robbins, you're reading some Eric Thomas, playing some gospel music in the back. He likes those type of trades.
Yeah.
These easy ones, he always is like, bro, I'm not a guy. I'm a guy. I want to build my faith in the trading. Like if it's not hard, I don't want it. If I don't need to fast and pray before I trade, I'm not trading. I need to be.
Andre's the guy. He wants to fight for those TEs,
Andre
bro.
wants that where it's like, bro.
When
and
you
it's
hit
like,
TE, it must be like you deserve that knockout.
It's like, where's my devotional Bible? Let me just. Chad, with some of these stops, you can't even page through that Bible. It's like, you're still paging and it's gone, bro. Can't even pray about that thing.
I just closed on USD. I saw the big
Yo.
sell come in. Nice start to the trading week. Awesome,
Jared,
Jared.
beautiful, beautiful. No, bro. Andre wants the sweat and the tears and the. To a point, it is quite anticlimactic. These trades that are in and out, but also like, what more do you want? What more do you wanna? Just for record, Chris, I'm only fucking with you. Kicks knows that it's all love on the side of the
Yeah,
keyboard.
no, Peter, we know, bro.
Was busy with the client, couldn't attend, but shows me and also the goldenest this morning. Andre, you'll catch them. You'll
You
catch
can't
them.
catch them all.
But Andre, just let me know when you take the next one because that one's going to be a loser. I just want to make sure I don't take that one. you know Murphy's Law. Chad, who remember... no, I'm kidding, Andre. Who remembers that NFP? I think it was...
2 months ago.
No, I think it was more, 3
longer.
months.
We were in the old office still. We were in the old
months
office
ago.
still.
And we went big, Chad. We went big, like we deposit big. And NFP, like we were smashing even NFP. Like we haven't lost CPI, but NFP as well. We like killing it. Mo has not been taking the trades with us. And Chad, I'm not even kidding. And I'm asking Mo, and I'm like, Mo, are you trading NFP today with us? And he's like, bro, believe it or not, today is the day I'm trading. And I'm like, we chalked. I'm like, and he's like, no, man, are you saying I'm bad? I'm like, dude, we chalked. Like, the one you're going to trade with us, we're going to lose it. Like, I knew it. I told Keeks, I actually want to take money out of my account. Mo is chalking us. And what happened at NFP? Chalked. And then he traded NFP with us again. Yeah, you remember that. And I said, Mo, today is the day we break the bad juju.
Yeah.
Like, trade with us. We manifest. We're going to smash this one.
That's when we started the 4K magical number.
Yeah. And, yeah, we smashed that one. So I was part of that one. Let loose 10K. Yo.
It wasn't a fun day.
I think me and you put 20K on. Didn't we have like...
No, we did 10.
Was it 10?
Yeah. The reason I had 20
No,
was because
man.
I did 10 NFP and I did 10 CPI. And I made it back on the CPI.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay. The boys have thrown down, yeah. No. So Mo, we've broken the bad juju over Mo. Mo's not bad juju anymore.
Well, for now, we hope he's not.
Felt like someone died. Andre, listen here, that night in the group chat, there were like motivational stuff. going around in the chat. I got into the chat and it's like people are sending books and I'm reading this book tonight and I'm reading this Relentless and this and I'm like, boys, what's going on here? And Keegan's up all night and he's like, I'm not letting this ruin me. Next morning he's sending me financial reports. He's done his analysis and he's like, I'm already skinning my teeth for CPI next month. And I'm like, bro, dude, like you're gonna lose one. Like you've caught all of them. Like give the market one at least. You don't have to catch all of them.
We don't like losing, bro.
I read the Bible that night. Hey BG, we read the Bible in the morning. But Bible at night is also good, my brother. And I also made back on. No, Andre, but I mean like the boys were hurting. The boys were licking their chops. The boys were. No, I thought it was the end of Keegan's trading career. I thought he was done, bro. I had to like phone him and I'm like, Keegs, bro, you're right. And it's like, it's just like when you get to this level of excellence, you don't leave any stones unturned. Next one, all of the stones will be turned, it will be brushed, and it will be cleaned. But stones will be turned upside down, spinned, even juggled. But don't think we are not turning a stone. Gents, my network gave me crap and I missed the waterfall. I hope and pray that I will catch the wave. Fino, you're still going to catch a lot of waves, my brother. No need to rush. God willing, as long as we are healthy and we've got the ability to do what we do here, you're still going to catch a lot. There's still going to be a lot of good. Hopefully just a little bit of bad, but we take the bad with the good and the good with the bad. Bringing the TPs. Yes, amen, Andre. TPs from Pretoria. Bringing Chad Keegan. So you got a new motherboard?
Yeah, motherboard.
Please don't tell me you paid. How much did you pay for it? No, man. Don't tell me.
5.5.
Okay, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. No, Keeks, but Chad,
And then the RAM was 3K.
Dude, but why the RAM though? Where did the RAM? Was the RAM
Because
just
the new
like,
motherboard has to take DDR5.
okay?
So I had to get DDR5.
Sure. Sure. Yeah, no, Chad, Keegan's got a like my entire PC box is the size of his graphics card. That thing is a PC within a PC. Did the same thing on a US 30 trade a few weeks ago. Held 510 pips and didn't close in it. Yeah, younger, that is my thing. So don't go coulda, woulda, shoulda. You're still gonna see moves that run 1,000 points and you took 60. But the thing is, tomorrow you're gonna take 60 again. So you're not a one-hit wonder. It's not a case of we're never gonna hit a win again. Chat support just replied. They say now on their side, I've not yet reached target, but I have the email and certificate from last for phase 1 and the certificate for phase 2 from last week. Crypto M2, I will chat to support now. And we'll check it. Alright, chat, if you have not done so, hit that like button, subscribe if you're here for the first time. Gents, can we jump on the Discord call? Alright, let's do it. Keegs is just going to leave shortly, but we can jump on the Discord here. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. Let's just get in the chat here. I just want to bring the music a little bit down. Let's bring that music down a little bit. Alright. We are, Jeremy, we in my brother.
Hey brother, how you guys doing?
Solid, man. Always good.
Good to see you guys. Happy Monday and a blessed Monday to all the guys in the chat. Chris, you there?
Yeah. We're listening.
Hey, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was a tad bit caught off guard this morning by our economist brother. What is his name?
I can't even remember.
Favor or something like that.
Favor. Yeah, Shipolani.
And he asked something that probably triggered things. And one question was probably in the group was, why would we pay for 2Gs? And it's like this membership thing. And I thought about it for a while. To make sense of it, to be honest with you, we're not paying for signals, information. We're not paying to liberate ourselves from this nonsense that's going on in the industry. We're just doing what you do in the private banking sector. We're paying to be a part of a community that adds value to us in every environment. And if people can't see that, I'm sorry, you're not in the right place to pay to play. And we're not apologetic about it. We're not racially inclined by it. We just want to be at a space where we can consistently grow and develop and be the best versions of ourselves. And why should we make an excuse for it? So, my brother Favor, if you're on the stream, I know you've been sent to the metaverse. We love you, we miss you, but we hope that you get a teachable moment in this season and the moments and realize that there's so much more value to just shooting off with a gun and saying a lot of hogwash that makes everyone else frustrated. It's a beautiful opportunity for you to learn, scale, grow, become a better version of yourself. And we shouldn't hide behind the bias of color or race or education or the lack thereof. Everybody has a fair game to play, and everybody has a wonderful opportunity to make a lot of money in this industry. So let's go for it.
Yo, what's up, Jeremy?
Chad, there we go. Exactly what Jeremy said, and exactly what I said this morning. Your academic stature, your business stature, whatever. We all equals here. We all just try to do our part in the markets. We all here to take our piece of the market. And there's no ego here. There's no ego. There's guys, for instance, like Jeremy that's big in business. There's other guys that's doing well. Andre also in business. There's a lot of guys doing well, but there's no ego here. Again, there's guys that maybe have PhDs. I don't know. There's guys that are academically, let's say, leaps and bounds ahead of myself and Keegan. But again, Chad, it's like Jeremy always says, like to have a teachable moment. Like just take a step back, say, okay, listen here. I am maybe excited about some concepts that you've learned, and I said there's nothing wrong with that, but bring your point across for us. Tell us what do you wanna say with the stuff you're saying. If you're just babbling to sound clever and you want us to be like, yo, bro, what a machine, like then we'll do it. Keegan will blow the horn. We're gonna say, bro, this guy is this and this, and wow, amazing. What a legend. Like we are honored for you to be here. But I can promise you, anybody that has done something in life, and for the most part, someone that's got a weight to their character is not going to do that, because they already know who they are within themselves. They don't need me or Jeremy or Keegan or anybody to tell them like, yo, Jeremy, you're such a machine. No, Jeremy knows what he is. Jeremy does not need me to tell him that. Okay, Jeremy comes confidently into the chat and he can say something and is not trying. No, so that is the issue with a lot of times. People want to be affirmed in the chat and in the trading industry, and it's a weird thing. Affirm yourself, and then please don't try and seek affirmation in the wrong way here. We will affirm you. We affirm every single one in our community, but we're not going to try and affirm somebody that's trying to force his own little agenda in the chat. All right.
Yeah, Chris, and big ups to you and Keegan. Just once again sharing some love. You guys have been doing an awesome job. I appreciate it. It's changed my trading environment. It's allowed me to see profits from a different point of view. And the system that was working with the trend has changed for me, so it's caused me to reevaluate. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's a beautiful, humbling process when I can acknowledge my flaws.
Yeah.
And if I have a community that allows me to celebrate my strengths and I can celebrate their strengths, my weaknesses becomes their strengths, and we both prosper. So, gents, 2Gs to the world. You guys have an awesome afternoon. Love and appreciate y'all. We'll chat soon.
Hey,
Some of
right back
that.
at you, brother.
Thanks so much. Jeremy also
Let us win always.
dropping some wisdom bombs. I'm new here. How does a funded account work? The Mapalala. Check in the. That I actually. Right. Mapalala. Go check Vault Funder on YouTube. Let me quickly get it. I think I did a video. If I did not, then that is my mistake. But if you go onto YouTube, let me just get onto my screen here quick, and you go to Vault Fund. I'm actually going to share it here. I did a video. Let me just see here where I explained how it works. All right, what instruments? Okay, it's obviously how to navigating. How quickly will I receive? Oh yeah, this video here. This is where I explain it. Very, very funny that there's another broker putting an ad here. That's beautiful. All right. Thank you for that. But yeah, this is where I go through the process where I explain exactly what it is, how it works, your minimum trading days, your profit targets. So actually go and watch this video, and you will know exactly. All right. There you go.
Yeah, my brother. I think I'm gonna switch off.
Can I
and
just pee
start
quick?
getting-
Then I'll come back.
Yeah, Chad. Obviously, I'm gonna just be heading off a bit early today. Yeah. Obviously, I just gotta go pick up my piece. I don't want to leave it there overnight. So yeah, I obviously just had all the new parts put in and stuff like that. So it's all done and ready to go. So yeah, just gonna leave obviously, and again because of traffic. So obviously, at least I know I can make sure you guys had a winning trade before I'm off. But as I say, guys, it's going to be a very, very good week. That's why there's don't need to be greedy. Don't overtrade. Take the trades when you need to trade. Don't take unnecessary risks. This really, really, really can be a very, very good week for all of us. Really can be a big one. So we want to break some records here. We want to bring it home this week, and that's what we're setting off to do here. So I hope you guys are locked in for it. What was the chat saying? Yeah, YouTube. W Jeremy, it means deep. Yeah, W Jeremy. Yo guys, as you said, I don't know what that was. We obviously are going to be doing Cape Town up next. So as you said, Chris, myself, and Jeremy will be in contact. We're going to start organizing, getting things going. But it will be early next month. It will be the first 2G's event, where we are then going to be making a plan to get everyone together, get the guys to meet, the community to start growing and knowing each other on another level. So we really are looking forward to that one next month. But as I say, we're just going to plan things, get everything sorted, and then we will kind of have some posts go out, affirming everything, giving you guys the exact details. So that you guys will know when and where and all that stuff. But yeah, Chad, I know you guys are going to be in good hands. So I'm going to be off a little bit of an early one, yeah.
But tell the people where you're going.
I did tell them.
How did you say you're getting the beast back?
So very, very looking forward to seeing it. Jeremy, Bevan, Slashy, I think you also in Cape Town, if I'm correct. Really getting to meet all the guys. It's going to be an awesome event. We're definitely looking forward to it. But from my side, guys, peace and love. And I'm
Is
going to
Darren
see.
leaving with you?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. I was hoping to try and negotiate a coffee.
They can make one now quickly while I'm packing up.
Okay, let me ask T-Bird.
But yeah, Chad, peace and love. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, Chad.
Alrighty, guys. With the Vault Funder Challenge, must you trade? No, you trade when you want to. Don't forget about poor old Connor. What happened to Connor? What did I miss here, Chad? What did I miss here?
Is Connor also in Cape Town?
Connor Allen. Is Connor also in Cape Town? Connor, Chad, we're going to be there for everyone. We're going to be there for everyone. Yeah, we're really excited to meet all of you guys. Like I told Amina over the weekend, I said it's so weird. You become like a close-knit family. Like the names, we see the names, and you almost paint a picture in your mind of what the person is like, just with the interactions of how they speak. It's weird. I don't know how to put it, but you can almost gauge how someone is in the way that they bring themselves across with the questions they ask, the stuff they say. So we all have this painted picture in our head. For instance, what Etienne is going to be like, what Bev is going to be like, Connor, whoever. And I think that's going to be awesome to now actually finally meet everyone. Chad, who is in? Let's just quickly have a look here. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're from Cape Town. I just want to check more or less. Just number wise, let's just check Cape Town. Obviously, I don't know what's in the water though. Like trading, like it's just Cape Town, bro. Like people in Cape Town are like ready to trade. Alright, Cape Town. Let's see. Cape Town is representing. Slash, you also from Cape Town. Hey, Slash, I thought you were from Joburg. I don't know why I thought Slash is from Cole. Okay, Cole P. Boy, I know Cole very well. Colton, Orange. Alright. Sure, okay. We need money. Caleb, no. What you need is wisdom and determination. Cape Town expensive. No, Cape Town is hey Chad, it's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a big one, it seems. But yeah, we're gonna I think from tomorrow we're gonna start chatting to Jeremy. So Jeremy is gonna be the chairman. The idea is we Jeremy, sorry man, I'm just shooting shots here. We haven't even chatted, but I think while we have this time, I'm shooting some ideas here. Is to have Jeremy as the chair of the, I don't know what we call it, not community, but it's not going to be just community. Almost, I want to say. 2Gs Connect. I don't know, Chad. We'll chat about it. But Jeremy, being that guy, that then we're gonna have like regional chairs. Like Jeremy is the main chair, and then we've got regional chairs. One for Cape Town, one for Joburg, and then ultimately, yeah, I don't know. Jeremy will chat. Oh, okay. Aware. Oh, cheers. Beautiful. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers, my brother. Chapter, yeah, I don't know, bro. Our 2G's chapter. I'm not too. Remember, I'm ex-Afrikaans. Die chapter goed en al die woorde Engels. Oh, we're pivoting a little bit here from the original plan, but I think, I think if we can all just quickly sit down, break away a little after this call. Just really chat about the numbers, crunching it down, effectivity, productivity. Yeah, no, Chad, remember I'm Afrikaans, so English is my second language. So chapters, these beautiful words, these beautiful ways of talking about an organization or a community is still relatively new for me. So a chapter sounds beautiful. That just sounds something that will come out of Harvard. I don't know. We are here for that grip. PG, I'm also here for it, my brother. The pivoting, the breaking away. We do everything away from pivots, Chris. Yes, we pivoting into a new direction. Afrikaansburg. Chris, please ask Gigs where he is paying. Oh, Bunang. You have to ask that man the tithe. I've told him the tithe is early. But Keegan said, he said, Chris, why must I only tithe 10%? Why should I limit my giving if I can give everything I have? And I said, nah, bro, I'm not fighting that. No, he didn't say that. It's just, it's something, it's something I'll tell you guys about another day. How to become part of the funded trading party? What's needed from me? Nature, do me a favor, go ! Go read through the website. And if you've got any questions, then come back. All right. There you go. Nighbot actually right on cue. There you go. Trade with our partner, Prop. I'm new at trading. Is this material to go through? The Mapalala, do me a favor. Go ! Discord. There's actually a beautiful Discord section where we've got some educational stuff. Go all the way to the top. There's my trading plan. Start from here, work your way down, and then go and print these entry scenarios. But there's basically everything you need. Go start working through that. And join the live streams. This is live every single day. This is where you grow with us. This is where you see how we trade, when we take trades. So I don't know, you're obviously late, but we took a very nice trade earlier. Only caught it there. Didn't take it all the way down here. We only caught like, what is it? I caught 6. Yeah, I caught there. But yeah, beautiful. TM, I almost wanted to say TG. Why are you looking for that? I don't know. Where did you find? Is this not my key? Where did I get this? Was it in Mo's office? My key. All right. I think it's in my car. If you wanna, but don't plant anything in the car. Chris, we're trading towards EQ and US30. What's your opinion on that? Carl, I'm done, dude. I'm done. Daily S1 held. Coming back to the daily pivot, what I would say is we obviously created a low. On the session, so there is a high probability for price to test this level. And as a minimum, just go and retest the session lows. Remember what I said in that PDF document? Sell the first pullback after a new daily low. Buy the first pullback after a new daily high. All right, so this is your first pullback if you want to go and trade it again. But if you already caught a win, why open yourself up to further risk in the markets? Warren Jays. Where's Warren? I think Warren is in P. Warren, aren't you in P, my brother? Yeah, Stashi. So what we're gonna do is once we've set up the. I'm in Taiwan. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Taiwan, Tai 2, Tai 3. Once we've set up the chapters, I don't know. We'll chat to Jeremy tomorrow. What we'll do is we'll have those sanctioned events, and we will chat to Vault, for instance, and Vault Funder to maybe even once a month host an event for the traders. But yeah, we'll chat. There's some ideas to build community. Really build community. Also past that thing of where brokers. Chad, here's the thing though. Here's the thing. And this is what brokers struggle to realize, is that clients aren't just numbers. Clients aren't, when you look at somebody, it's not like, oh, what is the net deposit on this client? No. They're missing it. Brokers, none of the brokers catch the idea that build a community through the broker. Don't, Chad, I don't know how to explain it. Brokers, most traders see the broker as the enemy. It's like this love-hate relationship. I trade with the broker, but the broker is my enemy. He wants my money, this and that. No. The brokers need to establish that median. And the issue that we even have now is like we're trying to do that, but from a compliance point of view, it's Chad, it's weird. It's weird when I say this. Reason I ask is because I'm in longs. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Okay. No, beautiful. Carl, dude, if we reject here, no, bro, I would have been out already. Like, if I'm honest, I would have been out already. If it caught it from the lows, this thing is somewhat bearish. It can go all the way up. If you look at Nasdaq, that's what I said. What is weird for me today is, remember I mentioned on the daily, I'm bullish on Nasdaq and on the weekly. Sorry, weekly is bearish. All right, it's supposed to be bullish, but anyways, this I'm bearish and bullish. Anyways, so you can get something like this where Nas broke structure lower, held the daily pivot, EQ monthly S1, and took out the session hours there. Boom, straight up. So you can get that. It's just a question of, are you willing to risk it? TP set at market open. Okay. Not a bad target. Gold looks like it's retesting. Okay, here's my thing though. As I've mentioned with gold, gold is at the weekly high. It's already done. This is the R2. All right, I'm not saying it can't go up. I want it to go up, but we are trading quite far away from the daily pivot. Remember, this is our equilibrium point where we want to be trading from. So once we become extended, then the probability for price to continue higher becomes less and less. Yeah. Sorry, I'm actually struggling Googling the reference. Did you say exclamation prop? Yes. So exclamation prop here in the chat. Once you do that, there's commands, and you can also check the commands in if you go into the actual description of this video, you will see there's all the Nighbot commands. So you can just copy that that little section there, and it will pop up the certain links. Alright, so that's the Nighbot that you saw now. So you can just copy that little section there, the word after the exclamation. Alrighty, Chad. I'm thinking there's not much that we want to do here. If there's any questions, stuff that you maybe want to chat now before we love and leave one another here till tomorrow. Any update on your side, my bro, with support? Crypto, I'm going to chat to them now. Very weird. I'm actually going to ask for the logs. I can't believe that support got back to you only this afternoon. So if that is the case, some heads will be rolling, but I doubt it. We've got a very, very effective support team. So I will look into it. There should be very good reason as to why your account has not been issued, or they haven't asked for your KYC. Everyone is quite capable of what they're doing, but I'll check now for you. Alrighty, Chad. Yeah, we've gotten to the end of the show here. Hope you guys caught a beautiful trade here with Keeks today. CPI week, take it easy. It is going to be, again, one for the books. Win or lose, we are just going to follow the plan. We're going to prep as per usual. If you don't know yet by now, we do have a membership called Project G. You can go !G in the chat section. I think we'll show you guys a little bit more of that on some of the streams a little bit later. But yeah, education library, a lot of good content. We on our road to, there's almost 80 videos that we plan to shoot. We're only at 20 now, so still a lot to shoot. The rest will be updated through the course of tonight, and all there for you guys to enjoy. And then I'm thinking also, not this weekend, next weekend's the next boot camp. And I think especially after having all of that content on there, that boot camp's actually going to be really, really effective. Not a question, but I just want to wanted to say the way you explain the markets are informative and really easy to understand. Thanks for that, and have a good afternoon, Chris. Thanks, Justin. Really appreciate it, the good feedback. Really, really appreciate it. Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys tomorrow as per usual. Let's get ready for CPI. Let's get ready for this week. Good attitude, good outlook. Gonna follow the plan. Gonna put on a trading masterclass this week, Chad. That should be your goal. Put on a trading clinic. Be critical of yourself when you trade. Be very, very focused once you come to the charts. Don't tweet here on the side. A little bit of Instagram, a little bit of YouTube. When you get to the charts, focus for that couple of minutes or that piece of your day where you're going to look at entering a setup. Otherwise, you cannot say, trading doesn't work for me, but you're trading with one hand in your pocket. You're not that guy from Turkey. All right, that's not how we take our shots at the market. But Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys tomorrow. Just stay safe.
Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's